Did you know VLC can open some YouTube videos directly from their web address? It can be handy when you want to use VLC's playback controls instead of watching in a browser. In this guide, I'll show you how to open a YouTube link in VLC, what to do when it works, and how to handle common errors. Yeah, let's jump in. First, open YouTube in your browser and find the video you want to play. Copy the video's URL from the address bar. You can also use YouTube's share option and copy the link from there. Make sure you copy the complete video address. Now open VLC Media Player. From the menu, select Media, then choose Open Network Stream. This feature lets VLC open media from a network address instead of a file stored directly on your computer. Paste the YouTube link into the network URL field. Double-check that the entire address is there, then select Play. VLC will try to access the online media and begin playback if the current version and stream are supported. Give VLC a few seconds to process the link. If everything is supported, the video should begin playing inside VLC. You can then use VLC's normal controls, like pause, seek, volume, full screen, and playback speed. Once the video is playing, you can control it just like other media in VLC. Change the playback speed, adjust the volume, or use the playlist features if you're working with multiple supported media links. So you get VLC's familiar interface while the video is playing. If VLC doesn't open the YouTube video, don't worry. YouTube changes its delivery systems regularly, and VLC's support can depend on the version you're using. First, update VLC to the latest available version. If that still doesn't work, the video may currently require playback through a supported browser or service. Also remember that some videos may be restricted, private, age-restricted, region-limited, or otherwise unavailable outside YouTube. VLC can't bypass those restrictions, so use the normal YouTube player when access is required, and that's how you can try playing YouTube videos in VLC. Copy the link, open network stream, paste the URL, and press play. Yeah, it's quick when the current YouTube and VLC versions are compatible. If it doesn't work, updating VLC is the first thing I'd try.